All new at 6, the nation's largest credit union facing a class action lawsuit. Navy Federal Credit Union now is accused of discriminating against black borrowers. A recent CNN report found black borrowers were twice as likely to be denied home loans. Queen City News reporter Casey Jones spoke to a Charlotte veteran who was not approved.
Home ownership is part of the American dream. But for Army veteran Jerome Singletary and his family, it's a dream deferred. They moved to Charlotte in 2021 and have been struggling to find affordable housing.
The extended stay got a little pricey for us, so then we filled out an application with Navy Federal for a VA home loan. We were denied because of our credit, and it was just a little hard for us. And things got really too complicated, so we were forced to move into the shelter.
But now there are questions about how Navy Federal Credit Union approves home loans. An analysis of federal consumer protection data by CNN revealed Navy Federal Credit Union denied black applicants home loans twice as often as white applicants with the same credit history and income. Do you feel that if you were white, you would have been approved?
Unfortunately, yes, I do. It's sad to say, but yes.
Singletary says he found ways to work as a disabled vet and reapplied for the same loan, but was still denied. It feels alarming that there's no you were denied, but.
Yes. There was no but. It was just that you were denied.
Research compiled by CNN revealed Navy Federal approved a higher percentage of applications from white borrowers making less than $62,000 a year than it did black borrowers making $140,000 or more. Curtis Drafton, founder of U.S. Veterans Hall of Fame, says his organization ran a survey to ask who had been denied for the loans.
Within 48 hours, 21 veterans said, yes, I was denied by them. And then when they looked for the response on why they were denied, there was no applicable response according to protocol on why they should have been denied.
Drafton says the disparity of denials leads to more veteran homelessness.
They get frustrated with the system. They don't trust the credit unions, and they say, you know what, it's easier for me to go out here and stand on a corner and ask for money. I can live off $20 a day sleeping in a tent.
He says Navy Federal should be a bridge, not a barrier, to home ownership.
Create fast-track programs so they don't deny the veteran. They say, well, this could be fixed or your credit score could come up. And they have programming to guide the veteran into the home loan.
Navy Federal Credit Union issued a statement saying, "We treat the recent allegations very seriously, and we have retained a leading civil rights lawyer to assess our mortgage lending policies and practices and make recommendations to drive further access to home ownership." Singletary hopes this dream, temporarily deferred, won't be a permanent dream denied.
We turn our key, we don't have to worry about anything else. Our mind is clear and focused on our families. And if Navy Federal can do that for us, I feel like we will be in a much better place physically, mentally, and emotionally, as well as spiritually.
Casey Jones, Queen City News.